So I have decided not to buy any more Hobonichi planners, and today I want to tell you about the planners that I'm trying to use and replace my Hobonichis. Okay, so the first thing we'll talk about is the Hobonichi Cousin, and this is the first cousin that I got in 2023, and I didn't buy it again because if you buy this now, this is 2,300 pesos, and that's the same price as one Weeks Mega and one Graph notebook. And I think it's even the cousin is even more expensive than getting these two. So I'm not buying this again. It's too expensive and I don't need it anyway. I'm just gonna use another notebook because what I'm using this for is number one, I'm using this to test out my planner stickers. These are the stickers I made last week and you can get them from my shop. It's really cute. This is a freebie sticker. Oh no, this is also in the shop, and also this one. These are stickers from the shop. And I also have a lot of stickers that you can get from the website. And this is the first time I resized stickers for the Hobonichi week. So I have a blog article about resizing Happy Planner stickers for the Hobonichi weeks, and you can check that out. All the links will be in the description, everything that I mentioned in this video. So right now, I'm simply using this notebook as my Bible journal because I still love Hobonichi. I love the paper, I love writing on it, and this is my Bible journal for this week and last week, my Bible study. So I only need the daily pages and the monthly calendar, but not the weekly spread. And I also don't want to have the quotes here at the bottom because it's just wasted space, right? If you still need a Hobonichi cousin, then I guess this is a good investment if you're gonna use only this book for the whole year. 2,300 pesos, and I'm not buying anything else. I think that will be a good purchase for me. And if I do that and use up all the pages like the monthly, the weekly, and the daily pages, because this is really nice to feel and nice to hold and to write on. So what I'm going to use to replace this is my new Kinbor planner. So this is from Kinbor. This comes with a plastic cover that I actually put on my Hobonichi. And this plastic cover that's on my Kinbor is from Midori, the plastic cover for the Midori journal. The cover is like soft leather, not real leather, but leatherette or vegan leather. As a calendar, it has this monthly index, and then the monthly calendar spread, and then after that, there is a small future log here. So where you can write, maybe you can write birthdays or events for each month and like intentions and goals for the year. And then after that are the daily pages. And as you can see, it's there's no quotes at the bottom, so you still have more space here at the bottom to write on. And the grid is hmm, a little bit smaller than the Hobonichi. So the grid is smaller, the paper is still smooth. I haven't tried it with my journal pens, but I've watched some videos that say that the paper is good. So I don't have a testimony to that. And then there's a timeline here at the side up to 24 hours in case you want to plan your day using this. And also there's a darkish line here that separates this timeline from this part, but I'm just going to use the entire page for a Bible study journal. And my plan is not really to use this as a daily page, but to use each page for my Bible study. For example, this page, the topic is about victory. Let's say victory, and then there's a Bible verse. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for, let's say that's January 19. So I'm gonna put here in the calendar the topic and the Bible verse. So this will be like the index or table of contents for my Bible studies in this journal. And I can write on the exact day that I'm studying it, and then just put the topic and the verse here. And for example, like if I did that study for 3 pages or 3 days, then I can just highlight 3 days here and write the verse and the topic. So that's my purpose for getting this notebook, so that I have a daily page that and a calendar that I can use as an index for my daily pages. I'm also thinking of whether it will be better to use the calendar as an index or this part as an index. So I'm still thinking maybe this will be a tracker of my Bible studies, and this will be the index, and this will be the actual Bible study page. Because that's my focus for this month, and I moving forward I really want to have a Bible journal like this, and I'll be talking about that, more about that in the future. So instead of buying this 2,300 peso Hobonichi cousin, I will buy the Kinbor A5 daily pages, and the price that I got this for 769 pesos, and I actually even got a discount. So this is 769 pesos. This is 2,300 pesos. So the difference is 1,500. Let's say 1,500 difference. And 1,500 pesos is the price of my sneaker, Hobonichi Weeks Sneaker Mega, right? This is 1,500 pesos. So the price difference of these two is equivalent to one Hobonichi Weeks Mega, and that is a lot. And I think that's also the price of the A6 original that show. So right. And of course, this is more expensive because it has more pages because of the weekly spread, but I don't need that. I only need the daily pages. So 700, 2,300. Wow, right? I'm never going back to this. Never going back to this. And if you want to try out a vertical weekly spread, let me show you what Kinbar also has this. So I got this early this year. This is a Kinbar timeline, and time cheese manage time and control life. Time cheese maybe because of the clock that's divided into fractions like that. And this is actually cute, but I haven't used it yet. This is an undated timeline planner. That's an undated calendar, undated index. What's this for? Maybe this is a future log. You can use that. It's an undated index, right? This looks exciting to use. It's an undated monthly calendar. If you need something like this, like if you're starting not from January but from September, for example. And then this is the timeline that they have, the weekly timeline. And I like that it's yellow and not red because I love yellow. And if you check the stickers, I don't have extra stickers to try out. So this is around 3.4, 3.3 centimeters. This is around, yeah, the stickers will fit here. So if you want a weekly timeline, but you don't want the daily pages, you can get, sorry, very messy. If you want the weekly timeline, but you don't want the daily pages, you can try this. The numbers here and the glasses of water can be a bit distracting. It is distracting for me, but I haven't really tried it. But there's another one. This is smaller, and I think this is almost the size of the traveler's notebook. And it's the same, except everything is smaller. The index is smaller, but the weekly spread has a column for each day, only for 5 days, and then Saturday and Sunday has half a column. So some people may like that, some people may don't like that. I don't know. If you don't have a lot of plans on the weekends, then this will be enough for you. And the prices of these planners, let me check. This weekly planner is 399 pesos. And I got that at a discount. And this one is 390 pesos. So let's say almost 400 pesos, right? So this is almost half the price of the daily page. I haven't tried them, but just to let you know that there are other options from Kinbor like that. And if you want to try the one day a page layout, I actually made the printable. I Let me show you these two. I don't know why I printed out August. I really printed this out by mistake, but you can get this printable from my website. It's free, but for a limited time only. And there, so you have one page for maybe goals, and then you have daily pages. Sorry. You can print this as a booklet, and then, oh, daily pages like that. And I just stapled it in the middle, but you can also punch holes and put this in a ring binder. There, that's daily pages that I made. It's free for now. And here for September, I printed the September out, and then I printed also the calendar for September and used it as a cover page. Nice, right? And you can also print this smaller, like into an A6 booklet. I'll show you that next time. So there, so instead of getting Hobonichi Tacho, you can print this first and see if you like having a daily planner or a daily journal. Something that I got for free last week, and it's Destiny. It's really Destiny. This is a freebie, so I bought makeup for me and my mom last week, and they gave this to me as a freebie. And you know why I think it's Destiny? It's because, look, it's the same color as my Hobonichi Weeks Mega, right? Isn't that Destiny? It's a confirmation that this is the planner for me next year. I still have the leaflet because I just also found out that there is a dot picture here inside there. So I didn't open this. I just saw this. Someone uploaded this on YouTube. There's a dot picture here, and it's a color by number. So I'll already have my journal pen, so I'm gonna use that to color this. I'm gonna use it to color this. So there again, and I also have a memo pad in red for my bill payments, my Hobonichi Weeks, which is going to be my memory log, and bullet journal. I'm going to use this as bullet journal for next year. And a freebie pouch that's the same color And I'm gonna use this if I need to bring my Hobonichi Weeks. It has a zipper pocket inside, and maybe I'll put money there, like emergency money. So there, Destiny. And that's why I brought him here with me. This is my husband's first gift to me when we started our relationship 16 years, 15 years, 16 years ago. So it's not that long, right? But no. So this was his first gift to me, and they go together, right? So anyway, that's Destiny. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video about my other Hobonichi planner replacements. Bye!